Hey beauties, welcome back to Ofra's YouTube channel. My name is Ivana. You can find me on social media as Ivana's MKUP. Today we're going to be doing this beautiful Valentine's look. You can use it with or without the freckles. And if you like it, just keep on watching. So for today, we're going to be doing a Valentine's look and I'm going to be using the signature palette Sweet Dreams. So to show you the names, this one is Dreamcatcher, Snooze, Pillow Talk, Crush, and Trance. So the first color I'm going to be using is Snooze right here. And then to blend that out, I'm going to be using Dreamcatcher. So next, with a smaller brush, I'm going to be using Trance. Next, on my brow bone, I'm going to be using Pillow Talk. And for my bottom lash line, I'm going to be using Snooze and Dreamcatcher. So next, I'm going to be using the On The Glow palette and I'm going to dip into the Americano bronzer. So next, I'm going to be using the Professional Blush palette and I'm going to dip into Candy Apple right here. Next, I'm going to be using the MADISON Miller highlighter in the shade Sea Shimmer. Since I'm in such a romantic mood, I'm going to be doing some freckles and I'm going to add a little bit of twist to it and I'm going to put some hearts as well. So I'm going to be using the FRANCESCA TOLOT palette in the shade Venus and I'm going to be shading the hearts and trace it later on with the liquid lipstick. To blend out the pink, I also used the shade Easy Bake from the new Glitch palette. Next, to outline the hearts, I'm going to be using this liquid lipstick in the shade Santa Ana. With the same palette and the same shade, I'm going to be adding now some freckles. I'm going to be using the Ultra Verified in the shade Black to do my eyeliner. So next, for my Bright Addiction palette, I'm going to be dipping into Triple Black to smooth the edges. Next, I'm going to be using the HD Volumizing Mascara. Okay, so now with the same shade I used for the hearts, I'm going to apply Santa Ana on my lips now. So next I'm gonna apply my lashes and I'll be right back. So this is the final Valentine's look. For a more wearable look, you can also do it without the freckles and the hearts. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave a comment on what your favorite part was. Also, hit the notification bell to get notified every time we post a new look, and don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to see more looks by me, you can find me on Instagram as IvanasMKUP. Bye!